Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. So, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you and explain to you how to participate Launchpool. And as you can see, we have Launchpool here in Coin Market, which the currently Launchpool, the upcoming Launchpool is on Bitgate, and the name of the coin is Unlock Coin. So now, all you need to do is to follow the instruction of the community or the developer, and each developer has its own way to launch it. So now what we need to do is to head over to our Bitgate, and let me show you a step by step. So here in my on my Bitgate interface now, and as you can see here, as on new here, once you go to new here, you see we have launch pool here. And you, number one, the first instruction is you have to verify your account. You ensure that your account is up to date. As you can see, my account is verified, so I don't know this name busher something like that. So but my account is currently verified, and all I need to do is go to this launch pool here. Launch pool, I click on launch pool, and it's going to take me to the interface, and we are going to see the criteria, what we need to do. Some launch pools wants, it depends on the exchanges, so I don't know what's wrong with network. So now here is the interface, and what they want us to do is, first, they did not include a USDT, and I think we all we need to do is to get Ethereum or ESDT or ETS, which is Ethereum or BTC. So now what we need to do is either we get the BTC or we get the Ethereum. And I'm coming. As you can see, this is Ethereum and this is BTC. Now if I click, and you can see here it's saying that I should add Ethereum. If I click on BTC, you see it has changed to add BTC. Since I don't have any of the balance, here. Now all you need to do is you get it. Sorry, yeah, that's. So now I have successfully logged in. It was telling me to log in before. So now once I click this add Ethereum, you will see this add Ethereum. Once I click it, now it's telling me that is either I should buy or you should whatever. Now all you need to do is to get the Ethereum. You should get USDT from, is either from somewhere else or you buy from here, because they also sell, there is a P2P platform here, and here is it currently. So here is our P2P here. Is either you buy P2P from here, which is USDT, and it depends on which amount of USDT you want to purchase. So once you purchase the USDT, let's see how many Ethereum or BTC we are to put. Now the minimum Ethereum, the minimum BTC is I'm coming. Let's go in first. Okay, the minimum is 0.00. Oh, okay, sorry, it depends on how many you want to lock. It depends on, but currently they only need 0.3 BTC. So if you need to act very fast now. So let's say you have your BTC here, you go to here, you click on lock, this lock here, you click it like this. And now as you can see, the maximum, once you click this maximum, all your BTC that is here is going to come here. Now all you need to do is include, let's say I want to log 0.003. So for now you can see it's insufficient, and once you have the BTC here, all you need to do is after a launch pool promotion end, your lock token will be automatically subscribed to corresponding flexible saving. Do not click on this. You see this, do not click on it, just leave it. You just click OK. Yeah, okay. This okay. After you might have add your BTC or Ethereum. Once you click on OK, that is all. Your coin will be locked, and after the coin being locked, um 1 hour before the coin before the coin listed, they are going to airdrop everyone. And after that, once everyone receive the airdrop, you will be automatic convert your airdrop to BTC. And also the BTC, sorry, airdrop to Ethereum. And I don't know, maybe this airdrop is a BTC network or Ethereum network. Okay, now if it comes as none of the is not USDT network, maybe it's Ethereum network and BTC network, you have to convert it to BTC. And once you convert it to BTC, you convert it to USDT. From BTC to USDT, then you withdraw it. You withdraw your previous BTC and also your previous Ethereum that you used to convert. So it's as simple as this. You don't need any technical knowledge, or you don't need any technical things about it. Just follow this instruction. You add your balance here, and once you add the balance here, it will take you to connect. You locked, and once you lock, then you add how many you want to lock here. So you just go ahead and lock. And if you ask me what time are you going to do it, I will probably tell you that you should do it now, since BTC and Ethereum market are currently down. So especially Ethereum is currently down, and this is weekend. So before the week starts, I think you should just get to start up something. And before it start rising, if you want to make an exchange now, you can just do it just now. Just do it now. So once you do it now, and that's all for now. So I think I should also share a little more light about the launch pool launchpad. Here in on Bitgate, we have launchpad, we have launch pool, and we have launch X. We have this launch X. But for now, let's just quickly talk about the launch pad. Sorry, I can't find it. So here is it. Launch hub. We have launch hub, we have launch pad here, and we have launch pool. And this is launch pad. So on the launch pad is different from launch hub. And let me show you how. So as you can see here, we have Launchpad here. This is another exchange. I just want to show you the differences. Here now, you click on it. So this Launchpad here, let assuming the is still active, that it has not ended, but currently they have completed. So we miss it, and I also miss this Launchpad. So now all you need to do is you click on it. Let me show you the magic. You see here now, according to the price here, the launchpad price here is 0.02. That is the given price that they are going to sell it for you. They are going to sell it for you as in a cheapest price, let me say so, because after the launch the price is going to skyrocket, and you will make a lot of money. So now the differences between launchpad and launchpool is launchpool, you are going to stake your coin, and after the listening date, they are going to give you back the coin you stake, and also they are going to give you airdrop. But launchpad is not like that. Launchpad, you are going to buy with your coin, and after the listing date, they are going to give you the coin you bought, but the one you bought will be a cheapest. So now let's say we are able to perform this. Let's quickly head over. This is it, and let's quickly head over to see the amount that it was being listed. And here we go to the market, we go to all here, and let's search for it. See it here, Solvet and USDT. Now okay, so this is perpetual. I will also show you how to perform perpetual, how to make money with perpetual, but for now let's quickly. So now for now, sorry, for now, as you can see, it was listed 0.2, 0.2. So and it was given to you at the rate of 0.02. Look at it here. Look at the price that it was given to you here at 0.02 on Launchpad, but it was listed 0.2 on the listing date. Let's check. Maybe we are able to get like $100. Let's go to 0.0202, and we get like let's say $20 of it, which is 1,000. And now the price that it was listed is 0.2. Look at it, we double our money. Let's assume we even miss the price. Let's do the current price now, which is 0.03, and now we still have a balance, and you see we still have almost $13 as a profit. So that is the power of Launchpool and Launchpad. So on Launchpool, you are going to get back your coin that you stake, but on Launchpad, you are going to buy it in a cheap way and sell it in a high way as the market skyrockets. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask, and also you can join the Telegram platform. So I will always open the Telegram platform for question and answer on the weekend. So by Saturday, Sunday, we have free talk, and other any other business day, we are going to acknowledge every question and answer you guys ask. So see you